I want to go and Cindy called me. She said they are going to the hospital to see Igwe's corpse. I want to escort them.
Good, good.
My son, it is good you show her love. Whichever way you can do it, just do it.
Papa, there's no time. I don't want to give her space. Bomba to bomba. Until
that is my son.
Papa! Papa! Papa!
What is after you?
Papa, you better run. Run for your life. Run now!
Why must I run? What is the problem?
Papa, Princess Tasha is arresting all the elders in this village.
Eh?
Yes. Papa, run! Brother, tell Papa to run for his life.
Wait, Oni. Let me understand. What have these people done? The elders, what have they done? That will warrant arresting them.
Papa, run, oh! Brother, tell Papa to run, oh!
Papa,
hey!
Wait, she will not try it, though. Even if she's arresting other people, she cannot arrest my father. Let her come here. Who is she? Nonsense! I want to hear.
Listen, if Princess Tasha or whatever they call her, if she tries it, hey, this community will not accommodate the whole of us.
Papa, run, brother. Brother, you don't understand, though. Tell Papa, oh. Papa, run. Hey.
Papa,
run.
you know that you are running. Papa, police can annoy you. Oh, she will not try it. Let her come now. I'm here.
Brother, you don't. Tell Papa to run.
Papa, don't run. Stay inside. Hide. Not that you are running, but you can.
My own, oh.
What are you saying?
Let him run.
Let her come.
Brother.
With police.
You need to see with your eyes.
I can't see. I can't see. Let her come. I'm here. Nonsense. Ona yala. When you come.
Oh, so I get what I change because I don't get change. I don't get I change you. This one they bring 1,000 naira. No, I don't understand though.
You want to break my leg?
No, sorry now. Which kind, you want to use that just no one pay. I beg, give me your money.
I beg, that time I know the money. Hey, give me my change.
And they call me. I tell you, say, where your change?
Huh?
I don't get change.
You get change.
My change. And they call me. Okay. Baba, give me your money.
It's like something is wrong with you.
You're the one that something is wrong with you.
You will not respect yourself in this public bus now.
You have you respected yourself?
Why are you shifting my hand from my backrest?
Why would you be making use of this place? And
Is this not supposed to be my backrest?
Am I making use of it?
Why would you use it? Why are you using my own backrest?
Give me my money. Which kind of what have you done with this one? Give your money ready. I don't want to see. I don't get change. Give me your money.
How much is your money?
200 naira.
Wait. I can't find my wallet.
Which kind of just with that one? I said give me money.
I can't find my wallet.
Wait first.
I'm not joking. I cannot find my wallet. Wait, driver, stop. Wait.
See, you know, today I started to see people like you. Dabeg, give me your money or I go change that for you. Nah. I know they waste time. Give me your money.
I go come the lie for you. I said I cannot lie. I'll go to the whole of Umu and ask. I am a son of a king. I am a prince. My father is here to install the king. I will not be lying to you.
Lies. This guy can lie. The king of Umezama has no male child. He has only 3 daughters. Okay, pay if you are not a child.
Are you from Umezama? Are you from Umezama? Don't touch me your hand. Don't touch me your hand. Don't touch me your hand.
My friend, give me your yeah, or else we will not get it for you. Do you understand?
I said I cannot find my wallet.
I beg the contact now. Give me my money or you come down.
This guy can lie.
Don't let me come down.
Now, Prince, let me hold money. They go down. Which kind of person can enter my motor and you don't go pay? You share your money. Maybe give me money.
Give me my change.
So I'll just go and get my bag so we could start going.
Mom, I will not take it! Who the fuck I think she is? If I get there and I find that she arrested my father-in-law to be, we'll have issues.
Wait, what's happening here? What's going on? Who is arresting who?
Oliver just called her that Tacha is currently arresting all the elders.
What?
Why?
Mom, why? Let me get there and find out first. We will have issues, me and Tasha.
Cindy?
Mom, it's not about you calling Cindy. You have to do something about this. You have to talk to Tacha.
What do you want me to do? Tacha is not picking her calls. Please.
Babe, I have to go now to see if Tasha arrested my father. And if she did, I'm going to be very mad with her.
That man is sick.
It's okay, I'll see you.
Greg, please. Take it easy, please.
Mom, don't tell him to take it easy. This is too much. You need to talk some senses into Tacha.
So what do you want me to do? What? Tell me. She's not picking her calls.
Woba! Where is he? My father is not around. Where is your father? He's not around. My father is not around.
Where's your father?
He's not around. Get out! He's not around. Tell your father that he can run all he can, but I, Tacha, must definitely catch up with him. Rubbish. Let's go.
Alright.
Let's go.
Yeah, move. Don't move. Move, keep moving. Move it.
Brother, thank God you're here.
Hi. To be a prince is not easy.
Oh.
It is not easy at all. I forgot to go my hair today.
Sorry.
Thank you. Please get me some water to wash my leg. To be a prince is not easy. I forgot to go my hair.
Sorry. I'm coming.
Alright.
Brother. Welcome.
I've seen it all today. I'm so tired.
Hey, sorry.
Do you know I trekked all the way from the junction to this place?
Eh?
I'm telling you.
Brother, there is trouble. Papa is in the police station.
What?
Yes.
See this time? I'm going to show that girl she's just a girl.
Yes.
I think we have respected her enough.
What did we do to this girl? Eh? Brother, if you know what to do, please do it. Brother, do it, oh.
If I get there and she opens her mouth to say any rubbish, I will slap her.
Brother, beat her if I have to beat her. Beat her. What is it? Eh? What is wrong with that touch of a girl now? What is wrong with that girl? Mama, what is all this one now?
I don't really know. Eh?
We suggest you just leave the throne for them, so that peace will reign.
Chero, are you mad? Come, Sonia, will you get out of here? I said get out! Get away! Are you mad?
See who is talking.
Eh?
You don't respect yourself, Debbie. You don't respect. Shut up your mouth. You don't respect yourself, Debbie. Alone. Her 10 has already expired as a princess, Mama. I'm the new princess in this community. She understand that fact.
You see, as for Tacha, you see that Tacha? I will deal with her.
But you have to.
She will see
Yes. What nonsense is this one? What is wrong with that girl? What is wrong with that girl, Seth? Eh? Is it because you're keeping them quiet?
Where is she? Where's that useless girl?
Hey, come on, come on.
And what do you want? My name is Odili. I want to see that useless girl you call a princess, who arrested my father, who is supposed to be the next king of this kingdom.
And who are you?
I am Odili, the next prince of this kingdom. Don't you hear that? Where is she?
Young man, you're disturbing the neighborhood.
I don't care. I don't care if you have ammunitions. I don't care what you can do to me. Just, oh, there she is. Hey, I give you 10 minutes. Else, I will burn down this palace.
And what is the meaning of this madness? Why would you allow this fool stand in front of my gate? Did I not pay you well?
Madam, I am very sorry. I am very sorry. We'll take care of everything.
And you? If you do not want me to lose it with you, you better take your miserable self and get out of here. Otherwise, I am going to order these men to beat you blue, black, yellow, green, any color I so choose. Do you understand that? I mean, are you dumb? I told you that no next king will come up in this kingdom until the killers of my father are brought to book. Do you understand that? They will remain there until they confess. Now get out.
You dare me? Do you really dare me? I have a mind of landing you a heavy blow in between your face so you know how serious I am.
Oh my goodness. You wish. Beat this fool and throw him out.
Hey,
now.
You know what?
Beat him out.
Beat who? Don't get my father. Are you mad? Oh, don't come
I
here.
said beat him out.
Hey, this is funny.
Beat him out.
Beat him up.
Beat him out.
Oh my God.
Beat him out.
Officer, wait.
Nonsense.
You have not had enough of me. Please, you move out.
Let us run. Get out. Nonsense. Now get inside. Lock the gate. Lock the gate.
Tata, what is wrong with you?
Mother, nothing is wrong with me. Those men must remain there until they confess to the killing of my father.
This is not how to go about this. They are old men. What if they die in the police tent?
Do I look like I care, Mother? They should all die. After all, my father that they killed was also human and not an animal. Mother, please. I do not want to talk about this anymore. There will not be coronation until my father's soul rests in peace.
What is your problem?
I don't have any problem, Mother. I am doing the right thing. The right thing.
My queen. My queen. My princess. What is happening here?
Please ask Tacha. She wants to tear this kingdom apart.
Tacha. Tacha, why? How could you arrest all the elders? I saw Odili now walking home in Benz.
Ichie, what kind of question is this? If not for the fact that I trust you and that you were my father's best friend before he died, you would have been there with them by now.
What?
You heard me. Please, do not sit on my bag. This bag is very expensive.
What is your problem? Tata, do you want to kill me?
Mother, I do not have any problem. I am fine.
Now listen. Go out there. Take those policemen out of this compound.
Never. Mother, I will do no such thing. Those men will be here for a month until my father is laid to rest. Then that's final.
Hey.
Excuse me. Tacha? Tacha?
My queen. My queen, my queen, there is trouble in the land already. And there will be war. I mean total war. Unless she stops this madness. I am no longer in support of this. We must stop her. Or the end of this thing she has started now will be so disastrous. And I'm them.
What
What is this? What has come over this girl?
Imagine.
Papa, don't worry. I will not let any harm come to any of you. Rather, we'll know who has more connection. She won't touch you.
This is not good though. This is not good though. Tata should not provoke me oh. She's getting me angry oh. Hey, I know that I don't have money, but I'm a man. I have many ways I can use to deal with her. I've respected her enough. Enough!
It's okay dear. I'm going to handle everything. What do we do now? How do I bail those elders from the cell?
My princess, you have to go back home and talk to your sister. She don't know what she is doing. I want you to tell your mother that your sister will end up committing abomination that the whole villagers will lose the respect they have for the whole of you.
Exactly. She needs to be cautioned though. The choir canante. The choir touch her canante.
Baby, don't worry. Papa, you just go inside and rest. It's been a stressful day.
Papa, please go inside, go inside. Don't worry, go inside, go inside. Go and rest.
It's okay.
Go and rest. Hi.
Oliver, how are you preparing over what we discussed about?
That is it though. My father and I discussed it today. See, let's see the day we're going to visit so that we'll come and see your mother and make it official.
Okay. Let's keep it till next week.
Okay.
Next week.
Next week it will go okay, no problem. Eh? But Tacha, you got Tacha kwao. You got Tacha.
This will not end here. They have not heard the last of me.
Yes, sir. What do we do now, eh? You see what power of money is doing? Eh? How can only one girl do this to us?
Can you imagine that? A girl!
Mama, you have to make a move. Go to that palace, talk to her mother. What is all this one now? Eh? What is happening? What is all this?
Mama, this is getting out of hand. Let's free this matter.
Very good. You should free this matter. Come and stand here and say that again to me.
Don't mind that idiot.
Mama, you see this throne? I will not leave it to. Instead, let it take my life. Yes. I will fight for it for the last drop of my blood.
Yes.
As for that money, I will go back to the city and I will make money by hook or crook. And when I come back here, they will hear from me.
Yes, I support you in this one. I support you in this one. Go and get this money. Go and get the money. Anywhere you can get it, get it. I must become the lord of this community. I must become the lord.
It's too much. Just a simple question I'm going to ask you. Who are you, Tacha? Who the hell do you think you are? Are we supposed to run away from this palace for you?
Oh, Venita, you will have to run away from me if you do not respect my orders. Oh, please! Rubbish.
Tacha! What is wrong with you? Don't make me get mad at you. What is the problem? So I mean nothing to you that I will tell you to do something and you will not do it. Who are you? Listen, don't make me send you out of this palace. Have you forgotten I'm your mother and the queen of this land?
Oh yes, mother, I know. You are my mother and also the queen of this land. I acknowledge that. But have you also forgotten that I am the first daughter of the king? And I have every right whatsoever to do things when you don't want to do it. I cannot possibly sit down, fold my arms and allow things go wrong.
Your husband was murdered. What did you do? Nothing.
You were there crying. Will crying bring back your husband? No. Will it bring back those that killed him? No. Yet everybody says, Tacha is this, she's that, she talks too much. Oh yes, I will talk. I will talk.
Please.
Don't try it. Don't even talk to me. Do not allow me to disrespect you. You don't have any right whatsoever to talk to me. Do you understand?
What?
Now get out. What? Get out of this house.
Now you listen. I want to take this from you. You want to use that turn on him.
And if I do that, Venita, what will you do?
Tacha!
Yes!
Mother, can you hear that?
What will you do? I said get out of this house now.
And he won't leave.
He must leave.
He won't leave.
Oh, really?
Tacha!
Mother!
Tacha!
What is wrong with you? You really don't know who you're talking to. Listen, I've been respecting you because of your mother and your sisters. If you think you're rich, I am more richer and more connected than you are. Be careful with me.
Be careful with who? And who do you think you are? You stand there with your two left legs talking to me anyhow in my own house. Have you got nuts? Eh? Do you know how much I have as a woman? You're talking to me anyhow in my own house? And you start because you think you're dating my sister, you can talk to me anyhow? Now get out. Leave this house! No! Get out! No! Stop! What is wrong? Stop! Why you don't touch me? I don't I'm better! Stop! Please! Stop! Stop! What to me? Are you mad? I do nothing! You get out! No! Leave this house! I will do that! I said leave this house! Mother, leave me!
Mom, what do we do? She's going to make things difficult for us all.
Exactly. I've called Dikeh to come, so we can go and bail the elders.
Oh no, Mom, you don't have to bother yourself. Greg will handle everything. He has gone there to bail them already, so it's not an issue.
Oh. Fine. I'm just so confused on what to do right now.
In fact, Mom, let's end this. Support my marriage to Olivia. Let's end this.
Oh, just shut that gutter you call a mouth. Are you crazy?
How do you mean if I'm crazy? We have a situation at hand. For Christ's sake, I'm already pregnant. And who knows? This child might be a boy.
A boy indeed.
I think she's right. Honestly, I'm confused.
Mom, you don't have to be confused. This is simple. This shouldn't even bother you. Okay, you know what? I'll get married to Greg. All we need to do is just relax and, plan things out. Who do you want to handle this kingdom? This little rat sitting down here. She and Oliver cannot handle this kingdom. Don't you see it, Mom?
You must be very, very stupid.
What?
Why would you call me a child? Are you crazy? What did you call stupid? No. Why would you call me a child? Stop!
What is your problem? Let it be that my only worry is Thatcher and not both of you.
Oh, really? I see. So, Mother, you worry about me now? Really? You worry about me because I am fighting for this family? Okay, it's fine. You can go ahead and worry all you can. I have absolutely nothing to say to you.
Thatcher, you talk back at me?
Mother, I will talk to you however I please because you deserve to be spoken to anyhow. What wrong have I done to you people? What wrong? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. And you, the two of you are playing with fire. You see that fire? It will consume you. I, Thatcher, will burn you. I will strip you naked in public. Thatcher! Oh, Mother, please! Excuse me. I need one of you to escort me out, in case those elders want to try anything stupid. And I do not want you to allow anyone to come into this premises. No one at all, except Elder Dikeh. Even the guy that came earlier today with a car. No one should be allowed into this compound. Am I well understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me one person, please.
What do you mean by what you just said? Eh? How can you open your mouth and say you want Greg to have the throne so that you will enjoy with him? How can you say that? Why not? Eh? Why not? I want him to marry me. Yes! If Papa and Brother Dikeh can leave the throne for him, fine, they should do that. You're very, very stupid. Now I know that you're very stupid. Some of you to pray that Papa gets the throne so that we can become princesses. You're here talking like someone that her brain is not intact. All All because you want to marry Greg, who does not even want to marry you. See, if not that you're my twin sister, I would have said that you are an imbecile. Me, an imbecile? Yes. You're very stupid. You're very, very stupid. You're a very stupid idiot. What is this? Chewing my feet. No, close them. Don't touch me. See. What is going on here? Don't touch me. Okay, stop. Don't touch me. Mama, Adele, come on.
What is going on here? Are you got mad?
But she started this whole thing. You know, she said she wants Greg to marry her, so you want the throne. That's what she said.
What?
No,
Sonia, is something wrong with your head? You want Greg to have our throne so that you can get married to him? Are you crazy? Something that belongs to us that you should be fighting for. The next time I will hear you say a thing like this, you have me to contend with. Stupid girl.
You see how drug him, ma?
I am going to the city to get a loan. Huh? Yes.
Nah, how can you leave your father in the police cell and go back?
I want this to end once and for all. When I come with that money, then I'll know how to handle them. For now, Papa can just enjoy in the cell. Biko. She had the guts to throw me away with policemen, right? And lock Papa in the cell. Not to worry. When I come back, you will not know what hit them.
Yes. It's just because of your father.
Now go where?
Huh? You see the two of you. You see the two of you, eh?
See you.
Okay, from now.
See you. See you.
It's okay. Come on, get inside. You sit down here. Who even make this? You know how to you want to marry Greg? Greg, we together. Me alone.
What do we call this? Is this not madness?
In fact, Oba, I don't know what to say again. If you go to the palace now, policemen feel everywhere. In fact, I've just come to you now so that you can accompany me to police station. Let's talk to them about belling the elders. Yes, let's bell the elders.
Me?
Yes.
Go. Hey. Ichewike. Hey.
What is it?
So you want them to arrest me, Ichewike? So you want to tell me you did not hear that she came to my house to arrest me? I had to run.
I didn't hear.
See, anyway, I was going to your house to tell you what I saw is Wara. Obia.
Obia. What is it? What is it?
Obia.
They're running. They're running away. Oh, he's running away.
Tacha.
Wike.
Will you also arrest me?
Wait, please. So this man has been in this village for a very long time and you have not told me. Eh?
Please don't arrest me. I am hungry. I've not eaten since morning. I will die in your hands. Please don't arrest me.
Let's go to your house. I need to discuss something with you.
To my house?
Yes.
Not arrest.
Why would I arrest you? Let's go. Oh, he's running. I will definitely catch up with him. Horrible people. Wicked creatures. I'll catch up with him.
Scheming just for power. Many are destroyed by desire. No joy, no peace, fighting for the throne. Ocheze, onyega no do no cheze, onyega bonyo chichi. Here to one buto wike. Ocheze.
I told you my father will never sleep in that cell tonight.
I trust you.
See, Tasha does not know who I am. I'm only looking at her because of my plans.
Don't mind that, Edo. As for that throne, it is yours already. There is no doubt about it. Listen, my son, we have to hold another plan. We just have to go for another plan.
Nine.
Straight off.
9. Please. Come and take your baths. Eat something and rest before talking of any other plans, Biko.
Yes.
But wait, thank God that brother has money now. What of the other elders? Who will bail them?
Oh.
Exactly.
I've taken care of that.
It's
I
again.
bailed everybody, yes.
Hey! Okay, I know what you can do.
They are all on their way back.
Hey!
See, Papa, listen. We need to cause more trouble. Yes.
Okwaya?
Yes. See, all I need you to do for me is to go inside, eat your food, freshen up, then we need to go to that palace. Yes, we need to go to that palace. I need to tell Vanita my mind so that we can fight this fight once and for all. We give it to them. Yes. Yes.
That is exactly what What do I do now? The way this girl is going, I don't think my son has a chance of seeing the end of this war. Hi, we don't have money. Wait, do I go and tell them that it was Izwara who killed Igwe in connection of Atama? Wait, no, you don't need to do that. You don't have an evidence, so there's no need.
Umba, so this is it, eh? This is it. You are a wicked person. So you and wicked, you abandoned us at the station. You are very wicked.
I am wicked.
Yes.
What do you want me to do? I am asking you, what exactly do you want me to do? Are you not the king to be? Wait. What exactly do you want me to do? Were you not the one threatening to kill me? If you had killed me, will I come to bail you?
Then be prepared to die. Yes, be prepared to die because now I've declared war against you people.
War?
War!
War?
Yes.
As for me, I'm out of all this. For that girl to lock me up, and you, Nwuba, and Wike did not do anything. Even the Lolo kept quiet. Eh? In fact, I am no more a member of that cabinet.
If the Igwe Tobi is there and could not bail you and himself, then remain there.
I resign my cabinet membership.
Look, I'm no more a member of the cabinet. Let me tell you, I remain the future Igwe of this community. So whether you like it or not, and I will deal with you. Nwuba, I will deal with you. Rubbish. Nonsense.
King Tobi! Inside the cell. Idiot.
My fear in this palace is that Odili and his family should not take over because all of us are going to suffer.
Yes, so imagine Sophia and Sonia as started showing off themselves. They should not come here and start disturbing us with their dirty attitude though.
My own is that I will not stay in this palace and watch those girls to insult me. I'm going to resign.
You still call yourself a palace guard? Hey, Tasha has employed policemen here. Are you guys still working?
Let them be at the gate. All I care about right now is just to sleep, eat, there you know.
To like food.
Sleep and eat.
Chai, I just feel for my queen. Ever since the Igwe died, there has not been peace in this palace.
Chai.
War everywhere. I'm tired.
Hey! What is going on here?
Not my business.
I hope this is not a palace gossip. One of you guys, come and buy me a drink. Fast.
Okay, Maya. Go now. Go for that time. Go now. Do some police work. Come on, this work. Go and buy.
War. This is war.
Yes.
For that little rascal, that rat, to put me in police cell, she has declared war. War! Hey! Me! Undokwa! Atakata abo! Hey! Okay.
Yes. You will not have pity on them if we eventually enter that palace.
Yes.
You will throw them out.
Exactly.
You are going to throw them out, oh. They must be thrown out.
Yes.
Hey! Oh. Don't worry. Odili left for the city in anger to get money.
Oh.
Yes. Good. He said there is a place he wants to get a loan from. We are waiting for him.
Good. Let him get it.
What?
Let him get it. Yes. For me, I don't care whatever collateral they need. They want a full human being. We will provide. Yes. After all, what is Sonia for?
Papa, me?
Mbano, me? Eh? What else are you good for? You don't want to be a princess, you don't want to help us. So you are a collateral now? Idiot.
Papa, I didn't say anything bad though. I didn't say anything bad. Is it not the same Greg that bailed you out?
Inyoma, tell this collateral to leave here now before I pour the soup on her face.
Don't mind her.
Idiot!
Get out!
Eat your food.
Will you get out?
You see?
Idiot! I didn't say anything.
I don't live here. They made yourself a collateral. And we are going to use it for that collateral.
I'm not fear. Idiot, stupid collateral. This is war.
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 Yes, war.
Did you see me here earlier today? Okay, for your information, I'm a member of this family. His son-in-law to be. So please, can you open the gate now?
I'm sorry. You can't open the gate.
For what? I said open the gate, I want to go in.
Tasha gave us an order and we have to obey. Sorry.
Tasha again? Alright. Isn't every order they give you, you just... Okay.
I'm sorry. We have to obey an order.
Hello? Yeah, babe, can you imagine? I'm at the gate and the police officers at the gate said Tasha instructed them not to allow me driving. Yes! Okay. Alright, I'm waiting, I'm at the gate. What was...
What is going on here? What's happening here? Why is he standing here?
I'm sorry, ma. He wants to come in and we have been given an order from Tasha not to allow anyone to come in.
That order kill you there. What stupid order are you talking about? My friend, open this gate. Honey, please, drive in.
My friend, open the gate, let me drive.
I'm sorry, ma. Please, we can't disobey an order.
What?
I didn't get you well. You mean you can't open the gate in my own house? Who gave you such stupid orders? Open the gate!
I'm sorry, ma.
Oh, shut that gutter you call him out. Well, it's fine. Since you can get the gate open, I will go in there, get our guards, and they will explain to me if they don't work here anymore. But Greg, just calm down, okay? Let me go in and get the guards to open the gates for you.
Ichie, I know how close you were with my father before he died. And prior to his death, he told us so many good things about you. So many good things. And that is why I have come to make this offer.
My princess, I am ready to do everything within marriage to make sure that you both retain this throne. I don't want you to lose the throne.
Very good. Very, very good. You will be the one to make us win this.
How? My princess.
If I'm not mistaken, your wife died at the early stage of your marriage.
You're right.
And ever since then, you have not gotten married again.
Yes.
You have only but one daughter.
Right.
And you have suffered so much. Ichie, I want to be the one to end your suffering.
I want to marry you. Oh yes, you heard me. I want to marry you. Listen to me, Che. We can do this together. I want to rule this kingdom through you and with you. You don't have to decline because I have made every necessary arrangement. Oh yes, I have. I'll do everything for you. I'll make you very comfortable. I'll give you money. I'll buy you a car. I'll even give you more money to give to some elders to be by your side. Anything you want, name it, I'll do it. Tacha will do it.
I have one question for you, my princess.
Go ahead.
Did you drink anything before you came here?
Of course. I drank something. I drank water. Does it intoxicate?
No.
Of course it doesn't, Ichi. Ichi, I know what I am saying. I have not lost my mind. Listen to me, Ichi. I need to bring you back to life. Accept my offer and you will smile forever. Don't even think you're too old for me because you're not. You are not. Accept my proposal and you see everything happening before you. I'll start taking care of you immediately. I'll give you money. I'll buy you things. Anything you want. I'll take care of my husband. You. Okay, I'll just leave you to think about it. And I am expecting a positive answer from you. Have a nice day.
Papa, I hope the princess is not threatening you also. Papa, what is going on?
Hey! Jesus!
Ogini.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Everywhere is correct, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Right away, sir. I'm sorry, man.
Oh, get away from here.
Alright, just go.
What exactly is going on here? What is this man doing in here? Did I not warn you before leaving this palace that you shouldn't allow anybody coming here? Did I not?
Good day, ma. We have to leave now.
Meaning what? Leave to where?
Our boss just called us and we need to report back to the station immediately.
You must be out of your mind. I paid your boss heavily, so I don't know where you're going. You're not going anywhere.
Tasha, listen to me. When I told you earlier that I am more stubborn than you are, you didn't believe me. When I told you I am richer than you are and more connected than you are, you didn't believe me. But listen, I have forgiven you all your sins. All I need from you is to apologize to me and my wife-to-be, then we'll let everything be.
Very true.
You're very stupid. You're very foolish to have uttered such stupid words. Don't use that tone. I will use it on him. What will you do if I do that? I will.
I'm sorry, ma. Officer Chike, you just have to leave now. Madam, please give us our money. Let's go.
Odili, I'm so happy now that you've come to realize that there is no peace for a poor man in this world. When you have money, you enjoy life. Everything in life will be so easy for you to get. I think I'm happier now.
I am ready to do anything you want me to do. And just mention it.
You are sure?
Look at the way that little girl insulted me because she has connections with the police.
She only has money. She doesn't have the connection with any police. Believe me, when you have money, police will become your friend. All I need from you is your availability. Just be there, and before 3 p.m. tomorrow, you will be 100 million naira richer.
I am ready to do anything. And anything in this world you want me to do. If you want us to go now, I am willing.
Oh, Billy, calm down. I feel how you feel. Honestly, tomorrow is not too far from now.
Are you sure?
You are going to be 100 million.
Are you sure? This thing is I'm waiting to women. See, we can go now. We can leave this drink and start. Wait, see. Just be serious with me.
I am telling you.
We find a man at this world.
I am very serious.
Just tell me the thing and we'll do it now.
You are becoming 100 million naira rich.
Cindy, it's okay. Put yourself together. Stop crying.
What is it? Why is she crying?
Cindy just lost pregnancy.
Well, I'm sorry. But on the other hand, I am not sorry. Because the person that got you pregnant is not just a gold digger, but a pauper.
Yes, mother. Truth has to be told.
She should be thanking God for allowing this happen. We do not need poverty in this house.
Stop! Please, people should go and sleep.
Stop. It's okay. Stop.
Let me see if I can finish this work today. Then move to Nyema's home with the whole money. Then I will support my son with drinks for the bride price. Yes.
Papa. Papa. Papa.
Chicanto brandamo li praprate.
Richmond. My lord.
You mean he's ready for the money?
Very, very much ready.
Yes, my lord. I am ready to do anything. Anything there is to do, I am willing to do for money. I and I don't want my family to lose the throne. So I'm willing to do anything.
It will not happen. for stepping your feet into this chamber. You are already a billionaire.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes. Has he brought the account number?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
I have it here.
Good.
I also have the names of his family members in this piece of paper.
Oh, beautiful.
Here they are, my lord.
Here they are.
Let us begin.
You know, you mean this? How can these things be?
Ago, it will be. All I need now is your support. Others wants to take over the throne. So they are going to be my rivals. And it's going to be survivor of the fittest.
That will tell you how mean that girl can be. But you know, I don't know. I don't know because I'm still angry with her over what she did to me. How can that girl lock me up?
Forgive her for my sake. Please, Ago. I have not begged you for anything before. Do this one for my sake.
No. For your sake, For your sake. I'll be with you.
Good.
Let's go together.
Good. Thank you.
But I'm jealous, so.
Jealous?
How can you enjoy that little girl?
That is why this spirit of Iberibe is always in you. Sometimes. Listen to me. Why don't you think about your position as the owner of this kingdom? You are looking at me as an old guy. I'm not as old as you think. And listen to me. Besides, forget about how I will be enjoying it here. Huh?
I'm thinking of my position. That's why I say I will go with you. I'll be with you. Let's go together.
Better.
But that does not stop me from being jealous. Can you imagine that?
Go ahead for all I care. Thank you. Thank you for supporting me.
Majesty, 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 I need your power. Majesty, Majesty, I need your money. Sing after all. Majesty, 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 I need your power. Majesty, 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 I need your money. Now listen. You have twins in your family. Yes. You will take 2 of these. It is done. It is done. Majesty, 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 I need your power.
It's okay. No matter how you cry, he won't come. It's alright. It's alright.
Where is Oliver?
My brother is not around.
What is it that I'm hearing? Is it true?
What are you hearing? What are you hearing? Are you not the one that killed my father? You have succeeded in killing my father.
There is no Iparipa here. There is no Iparipa.
What are you saying? That I killed your father for what?
Yes, you threatened.
Is threat doing? I threatened, does it mean that I did it?
And after the threat, what comes next? It is execution. Not so. You threatened and you executed. That is what it means. You killed her father.
Look. Do you people realize the gravity of the allegation you are leveling against me?
Get out from this place now!
You better go.
This is my house! Tell him to leave here! Leave this place! I will be the last person in this land. I will be the last person to see you be the king of this land.
No, wait. Why would I kill Umuba? He's the least of my problems in the community. Why should I kill him?
Get out, evil man! Get out! Get out! Get out! Hey!
Tata, what exactly is wrong with you? Are you out of your senses or what? Eh? Why do you have this awkward mindset since your childhood?
Mother, nothing is wrong with me.
Huh?
I am totally sane. Nothing is wrong with me. This is the problem I always have with you. When my sister says things, it's fine. But once it's mine, it is awkward. Why? Mother, this is my life and this is my decision. Leave it for me.
What stupid and idiotic decision is that? Eh? Touch her! At your age! You want to marry that old man? All because of the throne?
It's not your life, Taja. Listen, you need to listen to me. Fine, I know we all want back the throne, but not this way. You want to get married to... Oh my goodness, I can't even think about it.
Anita, leave me alone. Like I said earlier, it's my life and I know exactly what I want to do with it. I know what I'm doing.
My queen, I greet you all.
Welcome, darling. Please sit down.
My queen, I greeted.
Don't greet me. Thank God you're here. We need to talk seriously. What is this I'm hearing?
My queen, it is true. In fact, I'm just coming from there. Jehovah. What will you say? Jehovah.
What the hell are you talking about? What has the Jehovah got to do with this?
I thought you were talking about the Jehovah's death this morning.
What?
Yes.
Ichewumba is dead?
Yes, he's dead now.
What is all this? Eh? What is this, eh?
Hey, Barikba. Hey! Look, God is my witness, oh. God, you are my witness, oh. Hey!
Papa, did you ever threaten to kill him?
Is it not talk? Ordinary talk. Talk does not mean do now. Why would I kill him? Umuba has never been my problem in this community. After all, his son has no money to sponsor him for the throne. So why would I kill him? Why is this what I'm going around telling everybody that I was the one who killed him?
Papa, will this affect your chances of being the Igwe?
Of course it will. Hey.
Hey!
Who will believe me? Who will believe me? Look, I can swear by any deity. Yes, to prove that my hands are clean. Iswara's plan will not work.
Never work.
Please, let's call my son. Call my son for me.
His number has been off since yesterday he left here. Even me, I am worried. Hey, Chimo, what have we done? Is it bad for us to have the throne, which is our right? Is it bad?
It's not bad, Mama. It's not bad. But it's okay. It's okay. Pardon what I believe you. I know you cannot do that. I trust you.
Why would I kill you by now? Hey.
Oh.
Iswara. Barikba, exactly.
What is going on here? What are you doing with Ichewike? Wait a minute.
Has this old fool come to talk you into supporting him to marry my sister Tacha?
Eh? Wike? Wike, did you?
What, you mean Iche want to marry Tasha?
Yes. This old thing standing right here wants to marry Tacha. He wants to be king. Everybody now vies for my father's throne.
Yes, I want the throne. You and your son should tell her that I must have it, or I talk.
Wait a minute. What is going on here? What is he talking about? What does he...